Hello, today I'm going to tackle change of draft due to moderate weight, loaded and discharge. Change of draft due to change in density. Calculate loadable quantity when draft is restricted at discharging port. Change of draft due to fuel consumption, fresh water production, and change of water density at port of arrival. Vessel left Korea after bunkering for Quebec, Canada via Panama Canal. Draft on departure with a specific gravity of 1.025. Forward draft is 925 and aft draft is 928. Calculate arrival draft at Panama. Is the 0.995 with the following weights below. So for the main draft, this is the TPC 67.6. The shape is negative 0.97. This forward of the windshield, and the displacement is 56099, and the MTC is 1069.5. So this is the weight for fuel tank number 5, port and starboard. So the consumption is 420 for tank number 5, while tank number 6 is 400. There is a sign affix negative because this is consumption. And the freshwater tank, that is production, plus sign. Likewise, prior arrival, 1 day prior arrival, you have to put some ballast in the after peak tank, 200. Okay, so this is the LCG of each tank for number 5, 8.68, then 1697. This is up of a midship, and the freshwater tank 15.5, and the after peak tank is 106.29. Okay, so if we will calculate the trimming moment, it should be like this: equals 420 multiplied by LCG. So this is the trimming moment. Then you can drag down to copy. So this is the total trimming moment, algebraic sum. Total trimming moment is 19,665.6, and the total distance, the new distance now, is to be like this: equals total trimming moment divided by total weight. Therefore, this is your new distance. So your new distance should be corrected because of the LCF, forward of a midship, which is negative 1.11. So I will just put the open parentheses 1, then minus negative minus the LCF, then enter. So this will be your corrected distance. So if you multiply negative 36,708,520, so this will be the corrected moment. Okay, 36 multiplied by total weight, then the answer is 19,088.4. So this is already corrected, the same thing as it is here. LCF, then 3678, then the total moment corrected is 19,088.4. So by finding the change of trim or the trim cost, trimming moment corrected with the LCF divided by MTC times 100. So now this is the formula. Okay, this is the answer, right? This is the change of trim. Okay, 0.1788 14052. This is the change of trim. This is positive, so the direction of trim is going off. 0.017801405 or 0.178. Okay, so let us find the bodily sinkage, because your drop, initial drop is 925 and up is 928. 925 forward and 928 up. So when you make algebraic sum here, so the total weight is negative 5.20, meaning there is a bodily rise. So if we have to divide by 520 divided by TPC here, okay, this is C20 divided by 67.5 divided by 100 to get the meters unit. Then the correction for the forward is the bodily rise is 0.077, so equals, this is a parallel rise. Enter. So you have already your parallel bodily rise, this one. Why is it bodily rise? Because there is a negative sign for forward and up, so it should be parallel rise. The change of trim, actually, if you have to divide it by 2, this figure divide by 2, okay, example, divide by 2, and then after that divide by 100, because this is centimeter, and this is divided by 2 automatic. Excuse me, sir. Okay, equals, and your change of trim divide by 2, so this is the half, 0.089. Since the direction of your change of trim is going up, therefore it should be plus for the up correction, equals like that. Then forward bears negative sign. Okay, equals like this, the negative, there is negative sign. Enter. Okay, algebraic, the answer is 9.083 and 9.29. So this is not the case where you have to divide by 2 the change of trim, because you have to apply the LCF. So therefore we have to follow this formula. Although the answer is almost the same, but we have to follow the right procedure. So drop up correction, this 2 to 1.5 divided by 2 minus the LCF, center of rotation, which is 0.97. Then divide by 2 to 1.5, this is length between perpendicular, multiplied by 0.17, this is change of trim. Then the result is 0.0902. So this is plus for your drop out. And this is the formula. Okay? 2 to 1.5 divided by 2 minus negative 0.97 divided by 2 to 1.5 multiplied by 0.178 for your change of trim. So the result is 0.0092. So this will be your correction for the up. Okay, equals, then like that. Enter. Okay, for the forward, therefore for the forward it is like this. Change of draft up equals change of draft up, this is your change of draft up, minus the change of trim, this one. Then this will give you the negative 0.886 for forward. So you have to bring it here, equals, then enter. So they arrive the same answer, 908 and 929. So your midship draft is 919. So this is your arrival draft when you arrive at the Panama anchorage or somewhere in Balboa. So before entering, this is your draft, 908 and 929. So your midship draft is 9.19. Since you are floating in the density of 0.9954 inside the Panama Canal, so you have to find you have to correct the 9.19. So by freshwater allowance. So freshwater allowance displacement. So this is the present displacement for 9.19 divided by 4 times TPC. So the TPC is 67.5. So the answer is freshwater allowance is 213.422 millimeters. Since the vessel is floating at density of 0.9954, so you have to get the dock water allowance. So dock water allowance 213, this is old density 1025 minus new density, which is 0.9954, divided by 1025 minus 1, then the answer is 252.6919 millimeters. Okay, that is the formula for the Excel. Okay. Then you have to, this is what we call the bodily sinkage. Bodily sinkage. Okay. So bodily sinkage, so you have to equals bodily sinkage, this one, bodily sinkage divided by 1000, because that is millimeters, and then the answer is 2.2526919. So you have to bring this one here by enter. So you have already your bodily sinkage, that is parallel. Now your correction for draft forward and aft. So let us go first with your draft up, this one, change of draft, okay, by formula, this one. Then you can affix this one in here, equals, then enter. Then for the forward, equals, then you have to take this one. Okay. Then algebraic sum, you have the 938 forward and 9.502 draft up. So this is your draft when your vessel pass Panama Canal, having the main draft of 9.44. So let us check with my program here. The draft is 908 and 929. So this is 908 and 929. The draft is 1025, the density, then 0.9954, that's it. Then the answer is 938 and 9.49. So in the manual calculation I got 9.5, here is 9.49 and 938. So the main draft is 944 and then 11. So embedded stern, so almost the same. Okay. Now let us proceed for the calculation of the required loadable quantity. Find the required loadable quantity considering drop restriction at the discharging port, 11.0 meters. The SG is 1017. The tabulated displacement of 11 meters is 69,997 metric tons. So since you are floating in density of 1.017, so you have to correct your density. So by doing this, equals 69997 multiplied by 1.017 close open, then divide by 1025 is constant. Yes, this on the see what. Then the answer is the corrected displacement should be enter. So this is the corrected displacement 69,451. So the light ship is 11,680. So the dead weight, cargo dead weight is 57,771. So all land cargo weight on board should bear a sign of negative. So it was calculated that the non-cargo weight or non-commercial weight on board is negative 1569. Should negative should be affixed because they are on board. And then the consumption allowance that can be considered as the load back, or it will be your cargo, 524. This is your consumption, okay, from Australia to Bin Qasim. So the consumption, total consumption is 524. Now you have to bunker in Singapore. So the bunkering is negative 1,350. So always subtract. So it bears also negative sign. Therefore, to sum up, if you sum up algebraic sum, then this is your total loadable quantity to arrive in Qasim at 11.0 meters even K. So 55,376. Okay. So please take note that when making calculation of loadable quantity, always consider the following: production always subtraction, and consumption always addition. So that's it, and I hope everything is clear, and thank you for watching. Please comment below. Do you have any comment? Just put your comment, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day, gentlemen.